Hello again, my curious and inquisitive astronomers. My name is Jade, and I will try my best to educate you on the wonderful star Regulus. Regulus is one of the 9 stars in the Leo constellation, and it is the brightest out of all the 9 stars. Regulus is a little unique compared to other stars. It is a quadruple star system consisting of 4 stars. These 4 stars are the Alpha Leonis, Regulus A, Regulus B, and Regulus C. We weren't very creative when naming these stars, but it is what it is. But when we refer to it as Regulus, we are speaking of the star as a whole. Now you may be wondering, can I see this star if I live in the Midwest? The answer is yes. You can see this star when spring comes. In February, Regulus will be opposite of the sun and rise when the sun falls. In April, Regulus will begin to rise about an hour after the sun falls, so you'll need to stay up a little late to see this bright star. Regulus is a lot larger and brighter than our most famous star, the Sun. Regulus is about 350 times brighter than the Sun and 4 times larger as well. This means Regulus is burning up way more energy than the Sun, so its lifetime won't be as long. Regulus is believed by astronomers to be over a billion years old and doesn't have much longer left to live. Scientists believe Regulus will die in another few hundred million years. Not that much time left, so appreciate it while it's here. Regulus' death does have questions besides the death date as well. Scientists are struggling to figure out if the star will explode into a supernova. But don't worry, if the star does explode, we won't be caught in the blast radius, so we aren't in any immediate danger. Scientists also have questions if Regulus will become a black hole or a neutron star. If its solar mass is big enough, it will become a black hole, which in my opinion is a lot cooler than a neutron star. So many questions to be answered, that's what makes astronomy fun. Here's another fun idea. Imagine this. There's a planet with another intelligent species like us humans, and they decide to travel to us as they are curious how we live. What questions do you have? What would you want to show them about us? I know I would be asking all sorts of questions like how do they communicate? Do they speak verbally or do they speak using their minds, like in the movies? If they do, how is that possible? Do they have any written languages? Do they all speak the same language or different languages like us? What type of food do they eat, or do they only drink water if they drink at all? So many questions I would need to answer. It would take weeks to have them fulfilled. Obviously, aliens would have questions about us as well, so the first thing I would show them is how creative we are. I would show them our art, our drawings, our music. I would show them cartoons or other animations. I would not show them any live action movies or shows, as it might confuse them to understand the actor isn't the same person as the character. But that's all in another day. Maybe one day we'll have interpersonal interactions with aliens. Maybe when Regulus dies, they'll visit us. Maybe. Well, as always, my fellow astronomers, I hope I did well teaching you all. Keep learning and look up in the sky.